Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get Bitget referral code. Well, this is the official website of Bitget, where they can say that what is a Bitget referral code. First, each user has a unique referral code designed to encourage them to invite friends to join Bitget and trade together. Second, the referral code acts as the link between you and your invited friends. When your friends enter your referral code while signing up, they will be identified as your invitee, and both of you will receive rewards through the referral relationship. Some user might miss this step and wonder, what should I do if I forget to give the referral code to my friend? To avoid such issues, here are how you can use the referral code. Where to find the referral code? Go to the referral program page to view your referral code and invite link. You can also share your referral poster, which shows your referral code at the bottom. What are the available referral promotions? Will the referral code be different for each promotion? Their current promotion include the referral program, fortune wheel, and coin buddy. Choose one or more based on the number of friends you have and your preferred rewards. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.